Welcome to the world of elite engineering. At the heart of every Formula One car lies a masterpiece of material science, designed for extreme performance. Beneath the vibrant team livery and aerodynamic wings is a dark, woven secret: the carbon fiber texture that forms the very soul of the machine. This is the monocoque. It serves as the structural backbone and the ultimate survival cell, protecting the driver while providing incredible rigidity to the chassis. It wasn't always this way. In the early days, racing cars relied on heavy tubular steel frames and thin aluminum bodies, which offered very little protection. The revolution arrived in 1981 with the McLaren MP4/1. Designed by John Barnard, it was the first car to feature a full carbon fiber composite body. Comparing materials, carbon fiber leaves steel and aluminum in the dust. It offers significantly higher stiffness-to-weight ratios, essential for modern racing demands. The science is mind-blowing. Individual carbon threads are 5 times thinner than a human hair, yet they are twice as strong as the toughest steel. Engineers use a sandwich structure. Layers of carbon fiber skin are bonded to an aluminum honeycomb core, creating a lightweight but nearly indestructible panel. We call the raw material pre-preg. This is carbon fiber weave that has been pre-impregnated with a precise amount of epoxy resin before it's used. Inside pristine clean rooms, skilled technicians handle these sheets at precise angles. This ensures the strength is focused exactly where the car needs it most. Once la red, the chassis is vacuum sealed and moved into a massive autoclave. This industrial oven uses heat and pressure to finalize the curing process. The heat bonds the resin and fibers together, transforming the soft sheets into a single, rigid and impenetrable shell, capable of withstanding massive loads. Safety is the priority. The monocoque acts as a safety capsule. It is designed to remain intact even during the most violent high-speed crashes. Rigorous FIA crash tests push these structures to the limit. They must absorb incredible amounts of impact energy to ensure the driver walks away. Advanced materials like Kevlar and Zylone are also integrated into the cockpit walls, providing extra protection against punctures from debris and external objects. As the car is assembled, every critical component from the engine to the suspension is bolted directly to this incredible carbon fiber core. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a silent guardian that allows drivers to push the boundaries of physics on every lap, every weekend. Understanding the machine is the first step to mastering the track. Join us next time for more deep dives into racing tech.